Boolean logic, advanced searching using OR. The search operator OR helps you expand your search to get more results. This is especially useful when searching for synonyms or similar concepts. For example, if I wanted to find resources on two keywords, either term A or term B, I would type term A or term B into the search box. This broadens the search by telling the database to retrieve all results either containing term A or containing term B. Let's go over another example. Say that we are interested in finding information on pets. There are multiple words that can be used to describe the information we are seeking. We can use the OR operator to search for the keyword pets and other relevant terms. Here, we can enter the keyword pets, the Boolean operator OR, and the keyword dogs. This search would provide results that contain either the term pets or the term dogs. However, there are many other relevant terms that could be related to our search. If we wanted to expand our search to include cats, fish, or birds, we can enter multiple search terms using the OR operator. This would expand our search to retrieve resources that contain any of the terms listed. For more help searching, you can go to go.utlib.ca/help.